Hi guys, so today I'm going to try on a new wig that I made using hair from Klaiyi Hair. I'll put the name here and I'll put the information down below to the hair and the lengths that I use, so if you're interested in it. So my hair is a mess, okay? I got caught in the rain and I just kind of like threw it up and yeah. Alright, so I'm just going to put on a wig cap real quick and I'll show you guys my new unit. Alright you guys, so I got my wig cap on. Okay, let me see if I can lower my bun just a little. It's on there. Alright. Got a little hole in it, but whatever. It'll do. This is my new unit. Lots of layers in this one. Really, really pretty. It's not super long, okay, but very thick. It doesn't have too much of a shiny look to it, so it has a very natural look. The color is 1B, so it's kind of like a dark brown color. It's not jet black, so I wanted to let you guys know that. The lace is still on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. Alright, you guys, so now the lace is off and we're going to try her on. Alright, let's see. Whew. So I made this wig to be like a glueless unit, so it doesn't have a strap in it, so it sits nice and flat. As you guys can see, it's like really thick. So we're going to glue this down partially, like I usually do, because I think the way my hairline is, it never works out for me to like fully glue down a unit. So I usually just glue or spray down from here to here, and that's about it for me. Okay, so because my hairline comes out right here, and you know what I mean, I'm not shaving this off to put a wig on, so I'm just gonna move that up. I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glued Freezing Spray, if I can get it to spray. If I could get it to work. Oh, you want to be careful with this. Don't let it like leak on your foundation. It's going to leave like a weird mark. Okay? Alright. So I'm going to put the wig on there. Alright, so we're gonna wait for that to dry, or you can use a blow dryer and get it done. I'm sorry guys, I had to do a quick voiceover because while I was filming, Lucy was like licking herself and it sounded really nasty, so I'm pretty sure it would translate really gross on camera. Alright, so my baby's going through it. She's in heat and it's just, she's sensitive. Let's just say that. So as you guys could see, I'm just doing like a part, almost like I would cut bangs, but this is the area where I'm going to do like the side swept front bangs, okay? And then I'm going to just part where I want to do my half up, half down style. You can use a rubber band, or you can use a regular hair tie, or, you know, bobby pins to put this in place. I'm going to use some of the Got To Be Freeze Spray to hold this area, this like mini ponytail, in place, and then tie it. I'm just using a hair tie to do so. Once you have it as smooth as you can get it, or as smooth as you like it, I'm gonna just tie it down, or you could tie it down. So once I have that tied on, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on these front side swept bangs that I wanted to do. Just a different type of look as far as wigs. You know, I rarely ever do a half up, half down. I think this is my first one ever. So I'm gonna do the powder trick. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take some of my powder as my curling iron heats up. I'm gonna put this in my part to make this appear more. Lucy is having a moody day today. She's in heat, and yeah. Put that in part. All right, and I'm just gonna use this powder in all the sections where I parted. Okay, so this is going to make it look a bit more natural. If you bleach the knots, this will be much easier. Okay, but I didn't bleach the knots on this frontal. Okay, so this gives the illusion of it being your hair, you know what I mean? And I'm going to go in with my curling iron, trying to get that side part that I had previously put in out, because the hair was still going towards the side there. So now I'm going to separate it and try to get it to stay on one side. I want a nice, little part down the middle. It doesn't have to be super sharp. I kind of want it to be a little bit rustic, so it looks a little bit more natural. I feel as though super sharp parts sometimes look unnatural on wigs. I don't know, that's just my opinion, but you could do whatever you like, whatever it is that you like. Okay, I'm also going to use some of the Got to Be Free spray to help set that hair towards the side because it's still trying to go over. Okay, so I used the comb to kind of comb it over, and then I'm going to go back in with the curling iron to kind of set that in place and keep it from going back over. I'm doing the same thing for the other side as well. And I'm just going to go back in with the comb that out, because the spray does leave like a little kind of shiny film, and if you use too much of it, it leaves like white flakes. So I definitely don't want that to be happening. Okay, so once I have it parted the way I want, I'm going to try and curl it as much as I can towards the back so it has that nice like wispy away from the face style. Okay, all right, you guys, so now I'm just curling. I'm trying to talk and do voiceover because Lucy keeps licking herself and it sounds so gross in the video. Like, I'm sure it does. It's like all you hear is just like licking up her lady bits. So Lucy started licking herself again, so we're just gonna do the voiceover section here. This video is so professional. Oh my god, it's the best. It's the absolute. It's probably one of the most professional videos I've ever made. Not really, just it's part of life. This is what happens when you have dogs. Okay, all right. So I'm just gonna go in and curl most of the hair. I still want that thickness, that body. By the way, this is my first time ever doing a video with this style. I'm so excited to see how it turns out. Like, I can't really see the whole thing. Like, I'm just seeing a little part here, but like how the pictures are gonna look in the video, I cannot wait. So I'm gonna go in, add some more curls all over this beautiful unit. It's not super long, which I do like. Like, I don't know, I feel like some long wigs or a lot of long wigs are just meh. I feel like when it's mid-length, like, you could do a lot more with it and it just looks more glamorous. Does that make sense? I feel like I need more hair in my half up, half down part. Like, I feel like I need like way more hair. I'm gonna add some hair in there. So I had some hair left over from when I made this wig. So what I'm gonna do is just add it in. Okay. Alright, you guys, once I attach the extra bundles, what I'm going to do is camouflage the tracks by wrapping the hair around the base of the ponytail so I can disguise it. And I'm also going to clip some hair from the back of the wig on top of the wefts as well, with some bobbin pins to disguise it so you don't see it. Okay, so now I'm going to curl it. I feel as though it has more hair now. It has more of a length and it looks more cohesive, like it makes sense, you know what I mean? Sorry about the armpit hair, by the way. I literally shaved like 3 days ago and I thought I was good, but it's just there. It's like a little bit of black pepper sprinkled in my armpits. Alright, you guys, so that is it. I know it's kind of high up and big, but I feel like this look deserves like a big hairstyle. Kind of want to wrap some of the hair around. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna wrap some of the hair around right there to hide the hair tie. I'm so not used to my hair being like this on wigs. As far as wigs, I'm just not used to it, but I feel like I needed like towering hair for this look. As you guys could see, it's super easy to curl the hair. Like, you don't need much. This wig has not been washed. The hair has not been washed. So I'm using a 1.5 inch curling iron to put curls in it. I want a lot of body. I want it huge and big, and this is exactly what I am getting from this unit. So this is the front, this is the back. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look featuring Klaiyi's hair. Okay, thank you guys over there at Klaiyi for sponsoring this video. I love the hair. It feels super, super beautiful. This is their Peruvian hair. I'll have the lengths that I use down below in the description box, and a link to their store if you guys are interested in their hair. This is a frontal that I have on. It's pre-plucked. I did no plucking at all to the frontal. Nothing. Didn't even bleach the knots. I just used some powder to give me that scalp effect, but you can definitely bleach the knots to make it look more realistic. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry about my baby Lucy. She's in heat right now and super emotional, almost like when a woman's PMSing. Yeah, that's how she is. So everything is making her life, you know what I mean? I wish I could give her chocolate, but she's a dog and she can't have it. So yeah. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about my first half up, half down look. I kind of wish I had a longer bundle at the top. Maybe if this was a longer wig. But I kind of like that it's like layered like this. So I feel very towering. And it also makes me look taller than I am. Because sometimes I'm like 5'3" on a good day. And then usually I'm 5'2". So this adds about, I don't know, about 2 inches worth of height right here. Alright, I love you guys. Thank you all so much for watching my video. There is a tutorial for this look featuring this beautiful hair from Klaiyi. So keep an eye out for that if I didn't already upload it. Alright, see you soon in another video. Bye guys.